Good morning class. So today we are going to do Urban Local Self-Government Chapter 2 History Civics page number 83. So when we are talking about the local self-government, we have two kind of governments. When we are talking about India as such, we have the rural local self-government, in which we studied about the Panchayat or the Panchayati Raj. Then in the urban local self-government, we have municipal corporations and municipal committees. Municipal corporations are also known as Nagar Nigam. Okay, they are meant for bigger cities or bigger towns. Now today we will do metropolitan cities. Please underline, I want you to underline the word metropolitan has been derived from the Greek words metropolis, which is made up of meter meaning mother and polis meaning city. So the word metropolis means a mother city. Now in today's lingo or language, or when we talk about a metropolitan city, then that means a particular city or town which gives shelter or provide working opportunities to different people from different regions, not just of the country but from other parts of the world also, and they need to have the population over there is quite huge. Now a city or a town forms the urban area. Now when we are talking about cities having a population of 10 lakh or more and comprising one or more districts are known as metropolitan cities. So please underline this: a city having a population of 10 lakhs or more and comprising one or more districts are known as metropolitan cities. So you know the metropolises, all these you have learnt about in class 3. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata are important metropolitan cities. Now the urban areas are thickly populated and have complex means very complicated problems. They are thickly populated urban areas. Their needs are different from those in the rural areas. What do they need? Underline: bigger roads, more schools and hospitals, means of transport and communication. See, these days had the Wi-Fi not been working properly or internet had not been working properly, we wouldn't have been able to conduct your online classes and students would have suffered. And if students suffer, then the future generations suffer and the economy of the country also suffers. Now for the construction and maintenance, underline, for the construction and maintenance of these civics amenities, more funds are required. Therefore, the urban local bodies are differently organized from the local bodies of the rural areas. The type of an urban body depends on the size of its population. There are two types of local bodies in urban areas. Please underline two types of local bodies in urban areas: municipal corporation for bigger cities with a huge population, municipal councils for smaller cities. Okay. Now, apart from these, there are town area committees, cantonment boards, port trusts, etc. So first we are going to study about the municipal corporation, or otherwise known as Nagar Nigam. Okay. The composition of the municipal corporation. Okay. Now when we are talking about municipal corporation, then we are talking about a population of 10 lakh and above. There in such places you have municipal corporations. Now underline please, the head of a municipal corporation is called the mayor or Mahapaur in Hindi, elected by the members of the municipal corporation called municipal councils. Besides the mayor, a deputy mayor is elected. The members of the councils are elected directly by the people. We have proper elections for that. Underline the general council of the corporations comprising the mayor, deputy mayor and councillors elect eminent persons of the city as aldermen. So they are the eminent person, maybe in the field of medicine or technology or arts, but they are known throughout the city for their good work, their reputation, their honesty. or their exemplary work for the service of the community. Now, day-to-day work of the corporation is looked after by various committees headed by the chairman. Now, every municipal corporation has a chief executive officer or commissioner appointed by whom? By the state government. His main function is to implement the decisions of the municipal corporation. With that, we come to a municipal corporation is elected for a period of 5 years. So, like the union government, the state government, okay, the panchayati, the municipal corporation is also elected for a period of 5 years. Now, the functions of municipal corporations and municipalities. What are they? Their main functions are following: to make provisions for electricity, water and sewage disposal, to provide health services through hospitals, dispensaries and family welfare centers. These are all very important, children. To take measures to prevent the spread of communicable diseases. Okay, you know, these days with the pandemic surging on, we have the municipal corporation trying their best to keep everything sanitized and maintain law and order also. Then to maintain records of births and deaths. See, we have to, when a baby is born in a family, then they have to get the gender of the family registered with the municipal corporation, and then from there you get a certificate. Similarly, for the death also, if there is a death, then this death certificate or the birth certificate provided by the municipal corporation is very important in getting other documents made. To maintain cremation and burial grounds. Now, burial grounds by minority communities are maintained by the minority communities, okay, with the help of the government. Then to check the quality of foodstuffs sold in shops, markets and restaurants. This is important. If this did not happen, children, then we will be consuming bad food, or there will be no proper hygiene over there. So all these functions come under the municipal corporation. Now, to build and maintain schools at primary and secondary levels, right? To organize adult literacy classes, meaning teaching people who did not, the adults who did not go to school as children. To undertake activities for the promotion of sports and games, they have to maintain stadiums and parks and provide help to sports persons. To maintain roads and bridges, to run local transportation services like public buses, local trains, etc. Then to make provisions for public urinals and latrines, to plant trees and to demolish dangerous structures. Now, you know, in keeping with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, all these things, especially making sure that there are proper toilets for men and women both in the city, this work is being given a lot of priority, okay, to make the environment clean and healthy. Now, I will close this video, and in the next video tomorrow we are going to study about sources of income of the municipal corporation, and we are going to study about the municipal council or the Nagar Palika.